Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Tally server. First, you need to identify the server's unique IP address and the specific port it uses for communication. Next, confirm that your client machine can reach the server over the network. Then, you will configure your Tally client application with these essential server details. Finally, we will verify the connection to ensure seamless data access and operation, making sure everything is set up correctly for your business needs. Before connecting, prepare your Tally server. It is crucial to assign a static IP address to the server for consistent access. Locate the Tally service port, which is commonly set to 9000. You must also ensure that any firewall on the server or network allows traffic through this specific port. Lastly, confirm that the Tally server application is actively running and ready to accept client connections, providing a stable foundation. Now, let's set up your client software. Launch your Tally client application on your workstation. Within the application, find the option to connect to server or similar network settings. Here, you will input the server's static IP address and the designated port number, such as 9000. After entering these details, save your configuration and initiate the connection attempt, aiming for a smooth and immediate link. After attempting to connect, it is vital to verify success. Look for a connected status message within your Tally client application, indicating a successful link. Proceed to access company data or perform a transaction to confirm full functionality. If you encounter any errors, review your server IP, port, and firewall settings. A successful connection ensures consistent and reliable data flow, supporting your daily operations without interruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.